I'm running the EXE, and there's nobody else on the server right now. I just hosted a game. I've made a post on Reddit, and there were some people playing. I realized the music starts playing again if I go to the main menu again, so that's a big bug. So if that window pops up again, then I know that somebody logged in because it's loading on the server, which is weird, and obviously, you know, something that I'd have to have played on the real game in order to see that it does that. So anyway, maybe I should continue to explain how the build system works, because as you can see, Gamerflame was a little confused, which I don't blame him. I should have made, see, when I build, I'm going to rotate it. Now, actually, I'm going to use WASD. See, now, WASD should have done this. I should set it up so WASD does this, and people will be like, oh, okay, snapping to the corners, okay. You know, NUMPAD 0 centers it back to it, and you'll see it's spinning around that corner there. That's the center point. Huh. NUMPAD 3 actually... Oh, NUMPAD 3 and 9 also do something, but 7 and 1 I haven't programmed yet, so let me see what they do. 9 goes that way. 8 goes this way. Three, 9. But anyway, what was interesting is you saw when I spin it like a little bit of each way, this sends it like that. Oh, this spins it around the object's axis, whereas this spins it around the real axis. I don't fucking know. Actually, to be honest, I don't know. But those are the NUMPAD keys. NUMPAD 0 centers it. I wrote it incorrectly here. Let me see. Did I write it incorrectly here? Oh, I wrote it here. Where's the building modes? Okay, at control to get angle. I miswrote that. It's actually C. So, you know, nobody's gonna know that. But I wrote it in the description. So if anybody wants to download and join me, press C here. We'll do this. Oh, I accidentally built whatever. So, which is something that somebody did somewhere around here. Well, anyway, I'll have to put something up at a weird angle for you to see. Also, notice how it's rotating with the world position, so it keeps its axis. Anyway, I'll just throw this in. Mouse wheel will bring it closer and further away. I'll just put it there. Okay, so let's say I want to build again. It's still in the same rotation. So the thing with the corner snapping is that with this system I can snap any size object to any other size object. So it doesn't need to be in the exact center. I can snap this corner, and it doesn't, and you know, it can be any size. So like, I'm just getting weird with it right now, but okay, for example, now I need the axis back, so I'm gonna press C here, and that's copied it back here. Now I can use Shift, and for some reason it's snapping to, like, look at this, it's the most peculiar, bizarre behavior, because I haven't told it to do this when there's nothing there to snap to. It's kind of funny, but yeah, I'll just do this. I'm loading up my other streams here. Anyway, download and play. I'll leave the server up. I'll probably work on the game a bit some more. Maybe not tonight. This is evening time. It's Christmas Eve day, Christmas morning. I don't know what the fuck. I hide Cuban food. Family Cuban. Alright, so that is snapping there to the corner of this piece. Just like that snapped there. And it's actually a larger piece than the floor, because I just grabbed these randomly from a modular building set. They're not made for building, but I can use any object. So you do have to kind of plan in advance, but this does give you more options than your standard thing. Because now, how do you rotate it? I wonder if this will do it. This? Ooh. But now it's still that corner. I want it to be like facing... I want it to be like here, but... Is that it? That's not quite it. And it's snapping to that corner now. But since it's free building too, I don't have to snap. I can just line it up here with the mouse, use the keyboard. This is what basically Gamerflame was trying to do over there. Oh, it's upside down. I put it in upside down. Well, whatever. Alright, let's build. I'm just showing off how... I mean, I'm not the builder here. You're the builder. You figure out what to do with this stuff. But here, you can do this. Let's flip it back upside down again. Let me copy this. Oh, this is a good track. Boom, boom. Yeah, this is a weird angle to build at. Let's just put it that way. I should have made it. Let me try planning ahead. Let's build the other direction. See, now this corner, so I can snap it to this angle and then snap it to this building right there. Let me show you again. I'll reset it. So I keep number pad 0. This is basic 0 rotation. So I'll press number pad 6. So that corner's there. Now that I'll go press C here. And now it's snapped to that angle. I'm holding shift here, looking for the corner snapping point. Oh, it's probably... Let me see, get it close to... It's probably hitting something else. Let me put it up here for now. Alright, let me get myself out of the way. Again, this is like alpha, pre-alpha 001, so... all this is for me to figure out how to implement the best. This is by no means a finished product or anything here. It's funny, the snaps it's getting. Let me rotate it. Let me see. It doesn't like rotating at an angle. Should be able to just go right there-ish. It's going over there. Oh, it's snapping to the handrail. That's why. So I could snap to that corner of the handrail. Yeah, I'm just experimenting here, trying to figure out how my own... Well, I'll snap it to the handrail there. Let's see what happens here. Thanks, dude. I'm playing the release, if you will, version. Let me start over with something in mind. Let's go down here. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna keep it all in this general area so we can test performance when there's just a bunch of shit on the screen. So, I'm gonna build something at a weird angle, but I'm gonna kind of plan it in advance. So let's say I'm building facing that way. Starting this way, I'm gonna go expand that way. So see, because it starts with the lower left-hand corner here, and then now I can rotate that. I can put that way. Got some different directions going on there. Oops. I don't know where it went. Another thing, as you notice, while I'm in third person, it goes to first person. But something I haven't programmed is if you're in first person and you go to third, now it's, you can like, I can move my head up here, come out, and it's still there. So I don't know, there's got to be some use for that. Like, say you want to do this, and you're like, oh, I can't see it so well. Oh yeah, that looks good. I don't know. Whatever. Gotta be careful when building right underneath. Sometimes it doesn't quite like that. So I can build all the way over there. Snapping, snapping, snapping. I'm not sure if that's the right. I have to make it so that it doesn't snap to anything if there's not a box to snap on. Let me see, where's the... Okay, let's try that. There we go. Huh, awesome. It's 2 gigs, so it shouldn't take too long if you have a decent connection. It doesn't take too much space. It's not like the 10 gigs version I was doing when it was uncompressed and all that jazz. I wonder what'll happen here. Ooh, my hand's full, that's why. There we go. Get that out of the way. So again, there's no combat yet. I have done a complex inventory system and build system. I came up with a weird thing. I got this message. Oh, sorry. Forgot to say Merry Christmas. Memory holes, you know, little ones all over the place. And check this out. Hey, you remembered. This is my response. Little holes are tunnels to the future. I gotta put that in a fucking movie or something. So, filling in the gaps here. It's working a little Minecrafty. Pretty decent. Obviously, I'll throw bigger pieces in here. For now, I'm only working with this. Perhaps I should show off what I could do. Alright, so for now, let me, I'm gonna try raising this up that way. It's by a snapped degree, so let me just do like, it's kind of a random, oops, right. I'll go up like that much. Whatever. That's definitely not the standard. There we go. Snap to there. Now, for example, if I reset it, okay, so, sorry. Press C. See the lines that showed up? That's my ray trace that I forgot to turn off debugging mode. So that captures that angle there. That very particular angle that I picked. So I can duplicate it throughout the build. I'll raise it up a little bit more. It's definitely something you have to get used to how it works. It's buggy with the snapping when it shouldn't snap, but you can do some cool shit with this. This is probably faster than even working in the editor, if you think about it. I'm gonna make a circle loop, and I'm gonna put spokes in it. Alright, so now I'm gonna... we've got this angle. I'm gonna go a little bit more. Hey, someone just connected. Ganelon. Okay, let me see. Is that one of you from stream? Oh, that is you. Like, because if you can't see it, I can at least leave it open on the stream. You may have borked something. Sounds like you're working out fine. Love it. I love the reaction. I think I broke something. I'm a cloud? Oh my god, I'm a woman now. What's going on? Experience. So let's reset this and go up to... there we go. I wonder if I could complete this loop. If I get real clever with it somehow, maybe. See you do that in Ark or Conan. Anyway. Oops, I pressed some... okay. If you chose the... red side races, you'll spawn in a different area from me. Not sure if that made sense. What does P do? That's an emote. So he's talking about this. I should put items away though. Let's just drop them on here. Whoa! Let's see you do that. That's physics, actually. That's kind of hilarious. It's the craft. She is our third, fourth, whatever. Can't see anything you type, by the way, in the game of no chatbacks. Ew. Press Control plus T. It's a little weird with the controls for chat. Pause. And good point that nobody can see it until they open the window anyway. So yeah, I was gonna show the pose. Posing! You can do it while moving around too. Can I press enough keys at the same time? There we go. Da 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 da. Look what I've made here. I'm role playing or something. Somebody else joined. Oh. Uthramak just joined. Mango. Uthramak. Mango. I don't know why it's saying mango. Are a bunch of people joining the game right now? Choose the dark side. You'll go to environment. Oh, my hand was on the wrong place in the keyboard. Got the hammer. I wonder if I can get this angle. Now, if I had done it by 45-degree angles, it would be no problem. But I'm trying to do like the imprecise thing, and then see. Oh, is there a way to like copy it? No, I could probably at least. For now, I'll just throw this over here. Whatever. I'll make a couple others just to make it look like it fits. Alright, so here's my idea. feel like these are supposed to do something different from each other. Alright, what about... Oh, I could put it... Oh, I'll put it right in the middle. There we go. Or I should have put it like right in the middle. Someone just opened a door. Damn, I really need to do better rotation controls still. Alright, whatever. I'll just snap this down somewhere. Change the music. I take it you're on the other side. Maybe. Oops. Let me do that. Huh. How come this one I could get the center? Oh, it's at that point. Oh. Okay. Whatever. What I was wondering is if now I could take the foundation and maybe snap it to that. This is gonna be a weird little building here. I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, this is where being able to destroy items comes in handy. I'm just showing the robustness of it for fun. Is that the starter island? It looks a little bit small for now, for some reason. No, that's starter island. What's that shit? A freaking foundation got built in the sky somehow. I wonder if... Oh shit. No, because you don't spawn with a hammer until... One of the foundations I built went over there. That's freaking hilarious. It's like a UFO. Then goo film the endless expanses of the ocean. What is all this? Buckler, armings. What are you doing right now? Are you messing with your inventory? I guess it's just actor saved. It's just printing out because you're checking your inventory or opening something. I don't know what. Dude, do you see the window open on my stream right now? Like, does this load on... Are you seeing this window when you join the server? Because it's loading on my screen when someone joins the game. So I just want to make sure you're seeing this. It has a bunch of information. If it's not loading on the client, then that's a big dum-dum on my part. So yeah, does this load for you? Are you seeing this? Oh shit. Alright, never mind. That's good that you can see it if it loads on your screen. Yeah, I don't know how I put that in. It was like after 17 hours of streaming me trying to package the game, and I'm like, I'll put in an alpha notes window, and I did it in like 5 minutes and uploaded it. So yeah. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get this angle. And snap it. Can I get there? I don't think so. I may be in a bad position as my character. What if I snap it here? Or there? Snap it there, because I'm weird. Oops. I really need the delete building function. That should be like the next thing that I do. Or at least definitely do it before releasing another version of this. Did he appear over here somewhere? Where is this guy? There he is. This torch is probably framing out. Press the wrong button. Oh, I was pressing run. I wanted to do this. But I was free. If you hold... People keep asking me what you do in this game. Also a build menu that is quicker. Jeez, Gamer Flame. Hating on this album.
Calling all creators.
No.
Was he good in anything? Yeah, he was fast motorcycle rider. Back.
Check this out. I returned to slay some kobolds with my broken hip. Well, there's no way for me to test that on, So yeah, that's kind of like would be abusable or cheatable, because you know the whole point is your character stays in game is kind of vulnerable. So yeah, I can't have people alt F4ing out. Anyway, this is like a pre-alpha, as I was saying. So, I took his bag. I'm gonna put, so this bag here, it's right here, I'm gonna open the left bag and put that one from my right hand in it. Now, I got another bag here. I'm gonna open this one up, put that one from the left hand in it. I got another bag over here. I'm gonna open that up, put this one from the right hand in it. I'm gonna drop that shit. Hey, dude, come over here. Pick up this bag. See if you can, figure out how to get all this stuff out of it. You got your hands full anyway. Maybe I should just demonstrate. You gotta drop the stuff. I don't know how old you are, so I'm not going to call you the new generation, but... Hey, Gamer Flame's joining us, alright. 'Cause, There's no pose cry emote, so I'll just do this. God damn it. There we go. Crying. Alright, he's taking the bags out of the bag. And outside of the other bag. And then see if he can keep this straight. Oh, nope, he dropped the bag. Let's see what we got here. Fuck this bag. Cry, 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 celery. This one has the stuff in it. Some stuff. I think that might be the same one. Alright, look, check this out with the wood here. Stacked items. And these are spawned dynamically, like by players when they enter the world. So, you know, like just having fun with physics here, I guess. So the cool thing about this is the fact that the world would keep track of it. If I quit and came back, all of these spawned items, if they have unique variables, I could say this is a No, I'm not going to promise to make every item usable, because I'm tempted to actually do that. Attack you with my bag, it has 1 DPS. Man. There we go. Attack, attack, attack. I think you found the bug again. Posing broke me, can't type again or move camera. Can't type again. Think of the bug again. Posing. It was posing while typing. Now press P or remove or open bag or move camera. Wait, P, well... What other buttons do I have? What state could he be in? Why would he? Now I'm in place mode after taking off the clothes and pressing place, but I couldn't place them. I dropped them again and now I'm stuck even more. What?
Be careful when you're with that woman.
Women are all liars. You should know that.
Hey, yo!
When this is over, I'm getting out of it. All of it. When I do, will you come with me?
I appreciate the sentiment, but I'm afraid it's nothing more than a daydream.
I hope that the rain will never stop.
Daydream. Oh, I see. So as soon as it stops raining. Sois gentil. Ne reste pas trop loin de moi, s'il te plaît. Arrête, pourquoi est-ce que tu ris?
Je ris parce que finalement, tu n'es pas aussi forte que tu veux le faire croire.
Alors vas-y, explique-moi. Pourquoi toi t'as pas peur?
So, Right, subscriber. I want a big sword. Somebody else just joined. Gladius. That's not a big sword. Press right, then left mouse so you can walk. Yes. You can. Somebody just jumped out. I just want a big freaking weapon. I'm trying to find like which is the biggest sword. I guess it's this guy. Oh, I haven't put the two-handed swords in yet. I only have this stupid guys, but I can two-handed wield them anyway. Havast. Okay. God damn it. Run away! Burn it with fire! Alright, I'm going AFK again. You freaking weirdos. Alright, let me check that out. Best alpha test ever. Whoa. It's hitting the nose, see? There we go, that's better. Meanwhile, so streaming, a bunch of crap on screen that doesn't even need to be here. I'm just barely dipping under 30 sometimes. And unoptimized. Owner no see or something like this. Yeah. That's right, you do Unreal Engine 2. Huh. I hope the guy didn't leave already. He might have left. Can't do this on the skeleton? Separate mesh. We have to have a separate mesh. Hey, I'm gonna log out and log back in as another race. Looks like he did. Looks like he might have logged out a while ago. Checked out. Just kind of curious if anybody else is hosting a game right now. I doubt it though. They would be in this one. I know I saw Gamerflame log in a couple times. Oh shit. What? That's funny. I need a good drow name. Well, when in doubt. If you have, what's this, Self-Fisk 2. If you have a moment, what engine would you recommend a game dev noob with programming knowledge to make a simple 3D shooter? Unreal? Thanks. Well, Unreal is the only engine I know, so... and I'm having a blast. Seems like it's more appropriate for FPS than RPG, so... I'd say go for it. I sound so weird when I speak while I'm typing. Trish is gonna have bright eyes. He's gonna be careful. That's interesting. They should all be travelers so that I can... Let me just kill this music too. Oh yeah. So obviously I'm going to make backpacks that you can wear, and then it'll just go over here like anything else. And you see it says open here. It'll just open up just like anything else. You can keep your stuff inside your equipment. For now I'm just going to build some shit out here. Unfortunately I haven't set up any different building materials for different races, but I do plan on doing that. Why does this happen sometimes? Depending on what angle I'm at, sometimes it's not the green thing. Is it just lighting? There's just no lighting it. Anyway. It does work the same, I believe. Let's say. Yeah, it's like semi-translucent stuff. I think it's just a lighting thing. Anyway, okay, I'm going by 45 degrees now this time. Except I've messed up the rotation already. Oh wait, look at that, I can do that. There we go. I see what he means about the keyboard would be useful for that. Yeah, exactly. Or space for a magic dust in a locket or a ring. Hip pouches. A cloak that holds anything. It's with secret components in the handle. So look at the health on my guy. He appears to be more or less unharmed. Wait, maybe it's only the one at spawn. And I might have turned it off. Okay, there's no damage in the game yet, never mind. I have programmed it so that this depletes and the phrase changes instead of a health bar. But I will probably have a health bar as well. But I'm thinking about just having it be text, and I'll maybe just have it appear in a more obvious spot. Or something. I don't know. Alright, the music's over. I'm building a dark elf style house already, you see? There it is. Okay. Because why not? Will all of this use a container in a container system? I just haven't basically made an equip. Basically, the hands work just like equipment slots. So I just have to make an item you can wear that has container enabled and plug in the open button to the inventory screen. But otherwise, same code, same object type. Not to make any new code for it, just the blueprint item. Change a couple of variables, a bool, two bools actually, and an enum. I can put music back on and go back to my chillin'. Let's see what's different about left mouse button and right mouse button work the same when you're in combat mode. I guess he just wasn't using the mouse, just running around like this and occasionally turning the camera. 'Cause I use it like all the time. I'm running. This is left mouse button. Character moves independent. Camera moves. This is right mouse button. Character moves with the camera. Here's combat mode. Either button, camera moves with. I guess that's what he means. Is he uses left mouse button for this mode. Runs around like this. Went to combat mode and he's like, "Hey, my character's moving with it. What the hell?" I understand that, but anyway, I did want to make it so that when you're in combat mode, you could pan the camera around. I just have to fix that. It's a little complex though, because I have a lot of shit going on when you are changing modes. I just make sure it goes the right thing. Yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna chill up here, wait for any strangers that come, and hang out in my patio on the YouTube channel. Make it so you can see this shit.